Hello, trading has closed on September 17th, 2021. We have Norm Winski today with us to help us out. He's going to briefly go over his calls from 2 weeks ago, and then he's going to clue us in on what's coming up in the future. Norm, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Jeff. I just wanted to mention quickly that I was last on your show on the 3rd, and I made these forecasts on these dates and these markets. I've evaluated the charts. There's the green arrows, your red arrows, so forth. And so if you want to know more about this, call me and this will explain how this all works. If you want to learn more, that's a great way to learn. And the first 10 people that call me get a free class. All right, now we're going to go to the forecast in just a second. There we go. There's the numbers. I had 22 of this. You can go back and watch the video back then. All the forecasts I did. 22 winners, 3 misses out of 25 for 88% winners. All right, now we're going to talk about what's coming up this starting this weekend. We have a little 2-hit cycle here, 2-hit cluster. I mean, we have the over the weekend. We have Pluto to the U.S. natal chart. That's based on where the planets were when the country was founded on July the 4th, 1776. Anytime we have that, we look at your U.S. stocks, T-bonds, and U.S. dollar. We also have Jupiter from the point of view of the sun. That's Helio. Entering the sign of Pisces. That only occurs every 11 and a half years. And because it's Pisces, we'll be looking at oil, and it's also related by angles to soybeans. Then on the night of Monday night, the 20th, we're going to have a full moon in Pisces, and so we round up the usual suspects. And by the way, on these charts I just zipped by, all the currencies had big turns within a day of the new moon. So that I think you contact me and we can go over that. So you got your financials, grains, precious metals, and oil. Okay, and also stocks respond to everything. So if I say anything, any of these things, just assume that the stock market is involved because it's the big basket of everything. Then the night of the 24th, we have Mercury turning retrograde, and that's grains. And because it's in Libra, we're also going to throw in sugar and give a double emphasis for the wheat. And then the weekend of October 1, we have Venus aphelion. That's as Venus goes around the sun. It's elliptical, not a circle. So there's a point where it's the farthest or it's the nearest. This is aphelion is farthest point in its 225-day cycle. And that's anything to do with Venus, the cattle, copper, cotton, sugar, wheat. And because it's aphelion, that involves the sun. And so then we throw in corn and gold. All right, so there we go. Here's the only chart that I wouldn't have that we really what you want to do is you want to find the extreme markets. If the market is going sideways, you don't do anything. You know, as they say in New Jersey, forget about it. And there we go. And so we're looking for markets that are moving up or moving down. Maybe I can just show one quick example here of a market that there's a great example. There's the euro was going up, up, up into the new moon, and then it turned on the moon and then went down, down, down. So that's the kind of thing we're looking for, or the opposite, down, 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 and the turn on the moon. So one of the better markets today, Friday, was this S&P had a nice down move of 40 handles. So that's a candidate for a possible low on our turn here. Let's see, where are we at? There we go on this turn here over the weekend for a Monday low. But then if we rally into Monday's close, then we're facing a full moon, and that rally may not last very long. An alternate scenario is if we just continue down, because these could be off by a day. So if we continue down into the full moon, then you might be establishing a bigger low, a more important low, because then you'd have all these things acting as one cluster. And so then we could be looking at a low. So that's pretty much it. Here I've had a little bit of experience. I've been doing this for 45, 50 years. Started as a Chicago floor trader on the CBOE and the Board of Trade back in 1975. So I've been doing this a while. So looking forward to helping some of your folks. Here's my contact information. Give me a call at 239-594 33939 in Florida, or you can call me on Skype, Winski_1. There's my email, Winski at embark with a Q in the middle, MAIL.com. Looking forward to helping some of your folks, Jeff.
Norm,
Everybody
that's
have a great weekend.
Norm, that's terrific. We'll look forward to seeing what happens Monday and Tuesday. Pretty exciting markets that we're going through. And we'll look forward to seeing you back in a couple of weeks.
All right, just one quick note, please. Anybody want to contact me, do it right away because we're getting into my busy time of the month. So just please contact me. Contact me over the weekend. I'll be probably doing these classes over the Monday, Tuesday period. Okay, thanks a lot. Everybody have a great weekend.
Okay, bye.